Good morning. We're looking at the euro dollar. Now you can see that we really didn't have a great week on it last week. We did break the previous lows on the weekly chart. We've got this support area coming in at 11:08 this morning. Now on the weekly charts, what we can see is that we are below virtually all the moving averages I look at. So you've got the 9, 21, 55, 200, and this little one here, which is the adapted moving average, which takes in consideration all of these. That's up there, as you can see. We're coming in around about 1434. Now, I don't think it's going to get up there. I think it's got a problem. I think last week we had the break. Whether it was a false break or not is a bit difficult to tell at the moment, because we are trading back above the little line that I drew in here, and we're just about sort of on that line at the moment. We've got the weekly pivot coming in at 1266, 11266, and we have the daily one coming in at 1221. Currently we are up trading at 1240, so there is a chance for us to get a little bit higher. But what we're going to do is, I think for the moment, is still selling to rallies. Yes, we're oversold. You can see that on the weekly chart. But I do believe that until we start to see a turn on those weeklies, that the market will continue to be in a more weaker state, and will have, you know, a more of selling rallies. So let's take a look at the daily. Now you can see this is where we went on Thursday. Friday we had a little bit of a retracement, nothing too dire. Can we get back up to here, which is 1269? Can we do that and still be below the moving averages and still be below the weekly pivot? Well, it's all around that area. So that's what I'm aiming for today, up towards that 1260 and then lower. I can't see anything at the moment that is telling me that the euro is going to bounce. We've had a bit of a bounce in the euro sterling, but that's because obviously cable, you can see, has gone below 130. But actually the outright euro could be in for a bit of a correction early in the session. Could have what we call a dead cat bounce, which is 3 days of upward movement, but that really shouldn't take out that 1266, 1269 area. I think you're going to get a lot of sellers around that point. So just be aware that this could, you know, just be a false little move. Not a false move, we don't have that, but it could be a little bit of a correction before sellers come in and sell it again. Good luck. I will catch you on the desk later.